say a word and I know what you just decided. We'd be right in the same wave. All the water's perfect, babe. The heat is rising, the time is melting from my fingertips. So nothing compares to this. Nothing ever will compare to this. You and I making fire, I can take ya. I can make it better, baby. Running away every day, feeling the same in a different way. You and I making fire, I can take ya.
Good morning, my beautiful people. Welcome back to another video. Today we're doing my Sunday reset. We're gonna chat for a minute before I get into this video because I had an absolutely horrible, brutal week. It was brutal. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen on my stories all the updates and like daily like what was going on with me. But yeah, basically I just had a really mentally draining, mentally challenging week, and so this week more than any other week I really just need to do my weekly reset, my Sunday reset, and so that is what I'm showing you guys in today's video. Most of the time it just includes like space cleaning, laundry, a little bit of self-care, doing my full skincare, doing my full hair care. You can probably tell from my bangs that my hair is really greasy, needs to be washed. I'm gonna do a hair mask probably tonight. Yeah, basically it's just a whole lot of cleaning, a whole lot of prepping. Oh, we're gonna go to the gym. Obviously I'm all ready to go. And then we're also going to go grocery shopping. It's grocery shop day. That's a little bit of what today's vlog is going to look like. I think this is the first ever like weekly reset video I've done on my channel, which is really funny because like normally I use Sundays as my weekly reset, especially when I've had such a draining week like this week was. So it's funny that I've never shared this before, but I'm excited to be sharing it today. And as you guys would have saw this morning, I took my little Seed Daily Pre and Probiotic. Today's video is in partnership with Seed, so a big thank you to Seed for partnering with me on today's video. I've been wanting to work with them for literally forever, so I'm so grateful for this opportunity. But I've been using Seed for about a month now, and I literally love the results that it's been giving me. Like I mentioned, it's a pre and probiotic, so it's really good for just your gut health, your skin health. Overall, it helps you from the inside out, and it's made with a 24 strain pre and probiotic. There's just so much science and research that's gone into this product. It's insane, and being a science student, I can really appreciate that. So if you want to read more about it, it's all on their website, but they've also given me a discount code for you guys. It's just Vanessa for 15% off your first monthly subscription. And the first box that you get comes in this classic, I'm sure you guys have seen it, green sun-safe bottle. So it's just to make sure that the pre and probiotics inside don't get sun exposure, so they're kept in like this nice dark safe bottle. After that, it comes in compostable packaging, so you take that and you refill it into the green bottle and then compost the packaging, which I absolutely love. You guys know I love whenever I get packaging that's able to be compostable, recyclable, just better for the earth. But yeah, that's a little bit about Seed. So again, a big thank you to Seed for partnering with me on today's video. But this morning, before I head to the gym, I'm just gonna get started with my laundry. I actually haven't made my bed yet because Sundays are laundry day and I do all of my sheets. So we're gonna go take the sheets off my bed, throw that in the laundry, and then head to the gym and the grocery store. I'm probably gonna get the question as to why my pillowcases aren't the same color. So this is the one I actually sleep on. It's an off-white silk cream pillowcase. And that one is the white one that the bed set came with that I don't sleep on because it ruins my hair. So that is why they are not the same color.
I wish I had more time with you. I wish we could do what you wanted to. I've got all these things I don't wanted to say. I wanted to show you all of these things you would have loved to do, but I really miss the way you say my name. But I hope you're proud of me, and oh my God, I hope you're happy. But I wish you could see all the stupid shit I've done. and all the stuff I've overcome. But I hope you're proud of me. Oh my God, I hope you're happy. But I wish you could see all the stupid shit I've done and all the stuff I've overcome. I miss those late night drives with you, just hanging out, you always wanted to talk about the girl from work you were trying to date, even though you knew she was straight. But I really miss the way you say Vanessa.
Alright, I just got back from the gym and grocery shopping. It was a giant grocery shop this week, just because I haven't been grocery shopping in 2 weeks. So, let's do a little grocery haul. I'm just gonna do one bag at a time to make it easier. But we got raspberries, blueberries, cherry tomatoes, frozen butternut squash, bag of frozen peppers and onions, 0% plain Greek yogurt, salmon. I picked up a spinach pizza this week just because, like, sometimes it's nice having a decently healthy frozen pizza just to throw in the oven. I also got a thing of mixed greens, a big thing of chicken, and some just old cheddar cheese. Then in our second bag we have 2 mangoes, cucumber, bag of avocados. Picked up a dragon fruit. I'm very excited because, like, my grocery store almost never has interesting fruits like this, so we got a dragon fruit. Bananas, of course, a whole bunch of sweet potatoes because they were on sale, a new thing of salt and pepper shaker grinder, another thing of my Silver Hills Max Flack bread, some zucchinis, big thing of carrots. I also picked up these little vermicelli rice noodles because they've been out of the, like, fat rice noodles since the summer, and I literally want rice noodles, and this is the only thing that they had, so I was like, fine, we'll do the vermicelli ones and go with it. And then I also picked up a jar of butter chicken sauce. Last but not least, we have a thing of 18 eggs. Now that I'm home from the grocery store, I'm probably gonna do a little bit of fridge reorganization. I've never been one to do, like, veggie prep, like wash and cut and peel and all my veggies and stuff, so don't know if I'll do that, but we're definitely going to go sit down and plan out the week coming up in my planner, just what I need to do some more cleaning up, organization. That's kind of what the rest of the day looks like. Okay, so I have to be honest, my fridge's organizational system is not really a system because my fridge is just way too big for just me as one person. But I always normally have drinks and stuff up there, and then this is my random stuff drawer. So right now I have hummus, the yogurt, and then pumpkin puree for my coffees and stuff. We have my eggs, the spinach and mixed greens, meats and cheese in there, my giant bag of apples from apple picking, fruits in here, and then just veggies in there. For lunch today, I just made this giant field green salad with chicken, cherry tomatoes, avocado, and cucumber, and then balsamic vinegar as the dressing. So just something super simple and quick that I threw together so that I can just keep doing my Sunday routine and making sure I can get everything cleaned up that I want to clean up. Alright, I just changed back into my little OVO U of T crew. I don't think I've ever shown you guys this before, but when OVO released their U of T collab stuff, I did end up grabbing the white crew. It was the only one left, so I grabbed the little OVO crew. I'm literally so worried about getting makeup all over it, but it's fine. My bed sheets are finally done, so now that I've had lunch, I've organized the fridge, we're gonna put my bed back together, and then we'll start cleaning up some of my spaces before I get on to organization.
And oh my God, I hope you're happy, but I wish you could see all the stupid shit I've done and all the stuff I've overcome. But I hope you're proud of me. Oh my God, I hope you're happy, but I wish you could could see all the stupid shit I've done and all the stuff I've overcome. I miss those days we were sat in the park getting drunk till it was almost dark. You always had to walk me home, then I'd call you up cause you're walking alone. Now I'm sat here alone in the park, just getting drunk till it's almost dark.
Welcome to the behind the scenes of Vanessa's current life. This is the first ridiculous mess that we need to clear up. I find that when I am like mentally a mess, this is the first space that just goes, because whenever I get PR and stuff, it goes here and it doesn't move until I find a place for it or until I have time to find a place for it. So I'm gonna deal with all of this mess that is first, because it is such an eyesore in my kitchen. It's like the worst.
Now I'm sat here alone in the park, just getting drunk till it's almost dark, wondering what you talk about. Lay with me, here, spotting shapes in the clouds. But I hope you're proud of me. Oh my God, I hope you're happy. But I wish you could see all the stupid shit I've done and all the stuff I've overcome. But I hope you're proud of me. Oh my God, I hope you're happy. But I wish you could see all the stupid shit I've done and all the stuff I've overcome.
Okay, but literally how much better is this? I find that just a clean space equals less mental clutter. I leave my bag and my everyday purse here just because I literally am using them every single day. But table's all clean. I gave it a quick wipe. It's still drying, but that's so much better. And then I also managed to get rid of some boxes there. My espresso machine box, I literally have nowhere for it. And then Whole Foods aesthetic, because sometimes we like that. Those will probably go soon though. Alright you guys, last task of the day before I get to some self-care, a little hair care, just a little me time, because it's Sunday and we still want to relax a little bit. It is only 3, so I'm doing pretty good for timing. But next we're going to sit down and kind of just try and plan out the week. So if you've been around my channel for the last, I want to say 5 videos, you'll have seen my lovely planner. If you're new here, this is my baby. It's from Indigo. I'll have it linked down below, Indigo chapters. So unfortunately I don't think you can get it in the States because it's like Indigo's brand, and I don't think Indigo's in the States. I will check that out for you guys, but it just looks like this. It's just this gray one. It says 2022 on it. It was in August 2021 to December 2022, so it's an 18-month one, which is really nice. But it's got both weekly layouts and monthly layouts. You guys are always asking where this is from. You love my planner so much, and I am obsessed with my planner this year. I always used to get this one from Staples and it just didn't suit me anymore, but this one has been amazing this year. So I'm gonna sit down, I'm gonna plan a little bit, and then I will go through everything that I have planned out with you guys afterwards.
I've been feeling selfish, I never want you to share it. We be riding the same wave. Oh, the water's perfect, babe.
Alright, I have a quieter week coming up, which is honestly really nice. So I just planned out the days that I want to go to the gym, and then I write down anything else that's like important for that day. This might fill up and change as we get on through the week. But then I also write down my like most important to-dos, or the things that I really need to get done this week. So that's just a little overview of what this next week's looking like. Alright, so I'm just going to end the afternoon with taking off my makeup and then putting on a little hair mask, because now that I have color treated hair, it needs some tender love and care. And so we're gonna do a little protein renewal hair mask.
Time is mounting from my fingertips. How come, baby, kiss my lips? Nothing ever will compare to this. You and I making fire, I can take ya. I can make it better, baby. Running away every day, feeling the same in a different way.
Now that I have the hair mask all in, I'm going to sit with this for roughly 15 to 20 minutes, probably read a little bit while this sits, and then we're going to shampoo it and wash it out.
You and I making fire, I can take ya. I can make it better, baby. Running away every day.
Alright, skincare is done, hair care is done, my hair is washed clean. I always let my hair air dry. I'm sorry, my face is like literally all pink right now because I just finished buffing it with my skincare. But I always let my hair air dry like I was saying, and then in the mornings I go through it with the Revlon brush. But now it's time to go read. I'm just gonna read my Bible for a little bit. I haven't decided what I want to read yet, but I'm gonna read this. And then I'll read City of Bones. I'm not that far yet, still. But we will read this afterwards. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed my little Sunday reset routine. Thank you all for, if you sent me such a kind message on Instagram when I was sharing that I was going through a rough time. I really appreciate it. I love you guys all so much, and a big thank you again to Seed for sponsoring today's video. But hopefully I will see you guys in the next one. Remember to be kind to yourself today, and I love you guys so much. Bye!
Da, da,